This is the Beelink SER8, and honestly, it might be one of the most impressive mini PCs you can buy right now. It promises desktop-level performance in a box that's barely bigger than a paperback book. But here's the question. Can something this small actually replace your everyday desktop? After spending time with it for work, content creation, and even a little gaming, I found a few surprises, both good and bad. So is it really worth your hard-earned cash? Let's find out. Beelink SER8 product overview. So, what's the deal with the Beelink SER8? This is Beelink's premium AMD-powered mini PC, designed for professionals, creators, students, and anyone who wants serious performance without sacrificing desk space. Depending on the configuration, it comes equipped with AMD's Ryzen 7 8845HS processor, Radeon 780M integrated graphics, fast DDR5 memory, and PCIe 4.0 SSD storage. Its biggest selling point isn't just speed, it's efficiency. Instead of buying a bulky desktop tower, the SER8 gives you workstation-level productivity in an incredibly compact package. Whether you're editing videos, writing code, running multiple virtual machines, or simply browsing with dozens of Chrome tabs open, this little machine is built to handle it all. Beelink SER8 performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually perform? Honestly, this is where the SER8 really starts to impress. The Ryzen 7 8845HS is an 8-core, 16-thread processor built on AMD's Zen 4 architecture, and it feels incredibly responsive during everyday use. Windows boots quickly, apps launch almost instantly, and multitasking feels effortless. I loaded it up with dozens of browser tabs, Photoshop, Premiere Pro, Spotify, and a few productivity apps running simultaneously, and it barely slowed down. Video editing in 1080p and even light 4K projects is surprisingly smooth, thanks to the combination of fast DDR5 RAM and Radeon 780M graphics. Now let's talk gaming. No, this isn't replacing a high-end gaming PC with an RTX graphics card. But for esports titles like Valorant, Rocket League, League of Legends, or CS2, the integrated Radeon 780M performs far better than most people expect. Even many modern AAA games become playable if you're willing to lower graphics settings. Features and tech. Let's talk about some standout features that actually make a difference. First is the AMD Ryzen AI-enabled processor. Beyond raw CPU performance, it includes dedicated AI acceleration that's becoming increasingly useful as Windows and creative applications adopt more AI-powered features. Next is the Radeon 780M integrated GPU. This isn't your typical integrated graphics solution. It can handle creative workloads, light gaming, hardware video encoding, and multiple high-resolution displays without needing a separate graphics card. That means lower power consumption, less heat, and fewer cables. Connectivity is another major win. You get USB 4 support, multiple USB-A ports, HDMI, DisplayPort, Ethernet, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth. In practical terms, you can connect multiple monitors, ultra-fast external SSDs, docking stations, and all your everyday accessories without needing extra adapters. Finally, the upgradability deserves praise. Design and build. Aesthetically, Beelink absolutely nailed the design. The SER8 features a clean, minimalist aluminum chassis that looks professional enough for any office or home setup. It doesn't scream gaming PC, and that's actually a good thing. The compact footprint frees up valuable desk space, while the generous ventilation keeps airflow moving efficiently. Build quality feels solid throughout, with no cheap flexing or rattling. The front-facing ports are convenient for USB drives and accessories, while the rear layout keeps permanent cables neatly out of sight. Pros: excellent Ryzen 7 8845HS performance, surprisingly capable Radeon 780M graphics, plenty of ports with USB 4 support. Cons: premium configuration isn't exactly cheap, no dedicated graphics upgrade path. Final verdict. So, who is the Beelink SER8 actually for? If you're looking for a compact desktop that can comfortably handle productivity, programming, photo editing, video creation, and even some gaming, this is honestly one of the strongest mini PCs available today. The combination of AMD's Ryzen 7 processor, Radeon 780M graphics, fast DDR5 memory, and excellent connectivity creates an experience that feels much closer to a traditional desktop than most people would expect from something this small. Now, if your primary goal is ultra high-end gaming or heavy 3D rendering, you'll still want a desktop with a dedicated graphics card. But for almost everyone else, including students, remote workers, creators, and professionals, the SER8 delivers an outstanding balance of performance, size, efficiency, and long-term value.